beautiful day as today is 2nd October, the birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and today we will deliver a message and to say that the life of Gandhi, he passed a message to our youth of our modern India. He's one of those quotations are famous in today's world is your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values become your destiny. These precious words were said by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi itself. Today the Indian youth is facing a hard time. After 7 decades of independence, the youth has become more morally, ethically, socially and spiritually adrift. The lack of sense of purpose is warning in comparison to what it was during our pre-independence days. They feel alienated and frustrated. There are many reasons, both internal and external, for frustration and purposelessness. Modernization combined with globalization has changed life in general and the lifestyle of youth in particular in the last few decades, leading to change in social institutions and structures as well. Besides, substantive demographic change in terms of population, political decadence, rising unemployment and eroding value system combined with excessive market-oriented economy have made life very complicated for our new generation. The changes affect the youth. The most of the young mind is like a clean slate. If the youth is falling prey to a rapidly changing value system on one hand, they can also be molded by inculcating good thoughts, action, habits and values on the other. The contemporary social milieu needs to be responsive to these expectations of the young mind so as to make them partner to all development and national building. These words of Mahatma Gandhi will help us in finding purpose in our today's life. Gandhiji fought his way to independence by the path of ahimsa, non-violence. He didn't even raise a single gun or his hand to fight for independence. His path of non-violence, like the path of Satyagraha, Simon Go Back movement, there are many revolutionaries he led by the path of peace, in the path of peace. It was a path of peace. He never approached violence. In the same context, it is all more essential that Gandhian values are inculcated among the youth in earnest so as to make more vivacious and active for nation building. It will be prudent to understand the problems faced by next generation before any steps can be taken to inoculate good values and make them healthy partners in nation building. To address these issues, Gandhian philosophy is best suited for the present day situation and needs to be optimized among the youth. The Gandhian perspective of a healthy and a pious lifestyle may apparently look very mundane, but in reality it is very effective and lasting in the long run. To lead a life free of addiction, Gandhi suggested means and ways to youth in a very simple but effective manner. Mostly young people depend on their peer groups and sometimes lead astray. They take to drugs and watch adult content to spend their free time and negotiate their hard feelings. As per WHO's latest report, per capita alcohol consumption has doubled in India from 2.4 liters in 2005 to 5.7 liters in 2016. Many of them are in a fix to distinguish between right and wrong. The preoccupied adult most often cannot guide them at the right time and opportune moment, making it difficult for them to make the right choice and decision. Once the youth is the vortex of addiction, it becomes very difficult to get out of it. So as you know that our generation should follow the Gandhian lifestyle and should take up his way of values for a better lifestyle. As we know that our current generation is going astray because of our very small destruction. Bad circle friends and addiction is destroying our current generation. So I wish everyone a prosperous Gandhi Jayanti and may all your wishes come true. So that's all for today. Deep Chatterjee will be back again with Zero Vision. Until then, thank you. Namaskar.